Good morning, everyone. I Nikhil,
I Kush.
Hi Mayank.
and we are honored to present our project 3D printer.
Information about 3D printer. 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing. It is a process in which we create objects by adding materials layer by layer. Unlike traditional manufacturing which cuts or mold materials, traditional manufacturing allows for more precision, customization and efficiency. It is used in aerospace, healthcare and even education for providing innovative solutions for various problems.
There are some problem statement about the traditional manufacturing methods. Despite its potential, traditional manufacturing methods are often time consuming, costly and wasteful. In industries, they struggle with heavy mass production, high increasing value and limitation in creating customized in fields like healthcare they working for customized medical and implants and prosthetics is difficult and expensive.
We have found a solution for this problem. 3D printing offers a solution by enabling fast, cost effective, and highly customizable manufacturing. With 3D printing, businesses and individuals can produce complex designs with minimum material waste, reducing costs, and improving efficiency. Tinkercad is an open source software used for designing 3D models. We have designed a 3D plate to reduce food wastage by incorporating strategic lines that allows the cock to fit perfectly. This design ensures efficient food pickup, minimum leftovers. Our innovation promotes sustainability by making it easier to consume every bite. Reduce food wastage by incorporating strategic lines that allow the cock to fit perfectly. This design ensures efficient food pickup, minimizing leftovers. Our innovation promotes sustainability by making it easier to consume every bite, encouraging mindful eating, and reducing unnecessary waste.
Working solution of the 3D printer. 3D printer works by converting digital 3D designs into physical design. It does it by materials like filament wire. It is used in custom tools, even human body parts with high accuracy and speed.
The future scope of the 3D printer is promising. Scientists are working on bioprinting the human organs, constructing 3D printed house and even food case using the 3D printers. As the technology advances, it will continue to revolutionize the industries and daily life.
In all our conclusion, 3D printer is shaping the future of manufacturing. It will solve problems by making the process faster, more efficient and sustained. With continuous innovation, our country or our project will become an essential part of the world. Thank you.